How to add photos to hidden album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the photo you want to hide from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. And then, tap on Hide over here. Tap on Hide Photo again to confirm. You have now successfully hidden this photo. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to hidden album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.